Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to completely reset your Microsoft Edge web browser settings back to default. So if you want to reset your homepage, search engine, and other settings you may have modified or changed over a set period of time that you've been using Microsoft Edge, then I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and click mo lang tong 3 dot icon. And then next ay ka naman lang select dito yung settings. So dito sa settings, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung reset settings. So i-click mo lang dito. And then reset settings, makikita mo ka dito restore settings to their default values. Okay, so i-click mo lang ito. And then pop up ito and na reset settings. So this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pin tabs. It will also start off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and SIP passwords will not be cleared. Alright, and then next ay ka naman i-click tong reset. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. Okay, so close lang natin dito. And then, relaunch lang tayo. Alright, so if you want to clear those other items, so same procedures, dito lang sa top right corner and then click mo lang tong 3 dot icon. And then next, ay ka naman lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, dito lang sa pinakauna yung search settings, ay ka naman lang i-type yung clear. And then dito sa right side, ay scroll down at select mo lang dito yung clear browsing data. Okay? So clear browsing data now, i-click mo lang tong choose one to clear. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. So may time range dito na selections option natin. So select ka na dito kung last hour, 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, and all the time. Okay, so click mo lang itong all the time. And then dapat naka-check tong browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data. Kasi image files, passwords, autofill, form data, ayan. So kailangan naka-check ito mga kaibigan. Alright, and then next, ay ka naman i-click to clear now. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-completely reset ng Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.